Alright, so we are testing audio, like it's working. So we are waiting for the Tokyo Open right here. It's 7:57, it opens in a couple minutes here. I don't know, I also look at the ATR. Whoa, average true range, it's really low right now, 2.7 on the 5 minute. ATR on the 15 is 5 points. So like when I do a trade, I look at the 15 ATR, and so when I make a trade tonight, I can expect it to go 5 points. So because we are really rangy tonight, we we had that huge move last night. I caught a piece of that. See, I got out way early. I should have stayed on the charts. It went up. After I got out, it went up another 60 points. But I usually call Dad Sunday nights, and so I had got a win and then called Dad. While I was on the phone, it just kept pumping. Man, I missed that. Missed a 60, 70. I only got 10 points out of this 70-point move, but you never know what it's going to do. Okay, we got the Tokyo Open. I'm looking at the stochastics also. I don't give huge weight to the stochastics. We are ranging sideways right now. I'm hoping for some volume to come in here, but it's just really sideways chop right now. I mean, we're looking at levels. Okay, there's the open. Let's see how price is starting to move. But now we're at the bottom of the range. It's probably just going to go back to the top of the range. Is what I'm on my practice account. I have no idea which way this is going to go. So maybe it'll bounce and just go back up to the top of the range and just stay in this range. Oh, okay, we're getting some. I don't know. Maybe if this closes above the 9 EMA, I might take a long here. But look, we just got a close before the open, and it only went four points. So yeah. I mean, we might take a trade if this closes. We're a minute and a half into this candle, but we're really rangy right now. Well, and if it breaks, because earlier I just watched it break this high and then it swept it and then it just reversed. So is it going to break this high and reverse again, or is it going to break the high and keep running? See, that's why I don't take a trade until the candle closes. See, because it went up above the 9. It did not close above the 9. Now it's getting rejected here. We had some buyers come in at the Tokyo Open 8 o'clock, and they're getting rejected right now. Oh, but I did put in a buy with one micro. But this is just rangy, choppy price action. It's just not looking too hot. Okay, check so. I'm in a short right now. Oh no, it's at the bottom of the range. It could, I don't know. If I would have taken this 5 minute close below the 9, I'd be up 5 points already. I'm not sure about this trade right now. We're hitting a support level. Like, I'm hoping it'll break down to this. Oh, it's breaking down. I'm adding the, sometimes I'll scale into a position. Oh no, bouncing back up. It might just sweep the lows and just reverse. Well, we just added 2 micros. Whoa, it's choppy. Because I was looking at this. What I should have done is taken this close below the 9 here. I mean, we could. This is rude. It's already 10 points is right there. Because I saw this green candle at the Tokyo 8 o'clock open. It pushed up and then it just got rejected. So that tells me we are seeing some sellers coming in, and we could have some continuation down to the next level. I like to take profit at like the next level bounced here, and I would want to get out here. Yeah, we're going for 5 points here. I mean, it could just it's been in this range. It could just bounce right back up to the top of this range. I'm not feeling too confident about this trade, so I'm gonna bring my stop loss in. Because see, and I've got the 100 tick chart and I've got the 5 minute chart. I just like to watch both. There it goes. There's the 5 minute close. 8:10 p.m. and we're going. We're running. I'm gonna get out at 5 points. Let's just get out at 5 points. We don't know how far this is gonna go. It's okay. Yeah, it's pushing down. It's pushing down. Let's go. Okay, maybe 6 points. Well, I wonder how far this is gonna go. Maybe I should leave a runner. I might I might take 2 micros off here and just leave a runner. So I'm gonna do limit buy. I always want to do limit orders. You get better. Do market orders. You get slipped and you lose money that way. Okay, I'm up 3 points here. I'm in 3 micros and it's dumping. It's dumping. It's dumping. 4 points. And I've got my settings instead of dollars. I wonder if over here, charts and data, right here, you can set it to dollars and it'll show you how much you're making. But I set it to points because my focus is not on the money. I want to focus on making good trades, and I'll think about the money later. I know you can see my P&L up here, but oh, it's this dumping. Oh, this is dumping. Let's go. Let's go. You know what? I might take one off. Let's go. It's Dumparooski. Okay, we just got out. We just made $100. We got out of 2 micros. We're leaving a runner. I'm gonna put my stop at break even and see if this will keep going. Because last night I should have kept a runner on because it kept going another 60 points. You know what? That was really just a scalp trade. I was looking for a breakdown. Basing I was basing it off this 5 minute candle close below the 9. I didn't take the trade because it was so rangy. I thought it would just range back up. But no, the Tokyo Open, usually money liquidity volume comes in at 8 o'clock with Tokyo, and it also comes in 9 p.m. With China. But we got this candle closed below the 9. Let's see how far it's gone. It's already gone 12 points. Yeah, yeah. I might just get out of this. That's fine. I'm happy with that. There's a little $136, $136 trade on my funded. That's first trade of the night. Let's go. All right, so right now I'm waiting for a candle close. I'm watching the 9. I'm looking at this downtrend. I'm looking for a reversal. Stochastics are low at the bottom. For the 15 minutes, stochastics are at the bottom too. I'm waiting for this. It's above the 9 right now. Hey, remember that level I marked out earlier? I was going to take profit. That's where I took profit, and it bounced off of that level that I marked earlier. Perfectly. So it's like 8:32 right now. I have to wait till 8:35 for confirmation, but we could be seeing a possible reversal here, and I might hold this into the 9 o'clock open of the other markets. I mean, if you look at forexchurch.com, try to reload this browser, not working. Okay. What the heck? I don't know what's going on with that, but I'm pretty sure Malaysia and Singapore open at 9, and China opens at 9:30 Eastern. But so it's kind of downtrendy. See what I should have done earlier. It's 7:45 here. We had a beautiful candle 5 minute candle close below the 9, and I don't know what, I was busy. I was doing something else. I wasn't watching the charts. Wasn't paying attention. Man, I should have taken this short. It went 12 some points, but came to the charts later and I saw that. And there's the 8 o'clock open. It tried to push up, but it got rejected. And so, and liquidity volume was coming in. So I took this short at this break of this low. Looking, it broke this low, and I was going for 5 points. And yeah, I got about 5 points off of that. Bounced off of this level. Yeah, I also look at levels and see this level here. Bam, bam, bam. It went over. But that would be like my take profit if I were to get a 5 minute candle close above the 9. Now look at that. Look at how this candle closed. It's a total flat doji, which could be a possible reversal candle, so it could possibly continue down and remain in this range here, or we could push up. But all I know is fireworks happen at 9 p.m. Eastern on gold here, so we'll see what happens. Okay, here we've got a 5 minute candle close, and I'm also looking at NASDAQ, and NASDAQ is pumping right now. So I might take this close. I'm debating on whether to do 1 or 2 micros. I'm gonna do 1 micro. I'm gonna scale in if it, yeah, we're gonna go, yeah. Yay, there's the candle close above the 9. Here we go. We got a 5-point stop loss. And I'm gonna add, if this goes in my favor, I'm gonna do stop by. Should I add 1 or 2? I don't know. Yeah, I'm not super confident in this. So it looks like it's breaking the structure. The stochastics are down. 15-minute stochastics are looking like they want to turn up. Okay. We got a red. I'll hold this 5-point stop loss and 10-point take profit. That's a beautiful take profit right at the top of these highs. So yeah, we're gonna add 2. No, add 1. Yeah, okay, we're pulling back here. Yeah, I'm gonna leave my, if it hits a stop, it hits a stop. I mean, that's, we had a candle close. If it stops me out, I'll try again next time when, yeah. So I don't know. I might add 2 if this starts. Okay, we've got a level here. It's trying to get above this 4204 level. We're above the 9 EMA, so that is very good. I like to, sometimes I like to scale in to a trade and then scale out. Scale in is when it's going in your favor, you add more, and then when it's up here, you start taking some profit. Take 1 off, take 2 off. But okay, we got about 2 minutes and 40 seconds left in this candle. Let's see how this candle closes. I'm not feeling super confident with this. What is, see, NASDAQ is, what is NASDAQ doing? See, NASDAQ's got a big bounce after gold dipped and NASDAQ dipped, and NASDAQ is really rallying. So let's see, maybe gold is lagging behind NASDAQ and it'll rally pretty soon here. I'm watching a streamer. He's up 500 bucks on a NASDAQ long, but I don't trade NASDAQ anymore. It just fakes me out too much. Okay, we're gonna add. I'll add there. Good. Now we're in 2. Tighten up this stop. 5 points. That's risking $100 right now. So we're gonna add another. If it keeps pumping, I'm gonna let this. We're gonna. How about 3 will be my maximum. We don't want to go too crazy here. You might take profits now at 9.4. Oh yes. Oh yes. We want to add here. Yes. It keeps, oh, it's going. Okay, we're going to tighten up our stop a little bit. And that's max position. Let's not, oh, here we go. Let's go. We're up 3 points. Oh, it's going. So I'm going to take one off if it gets up here, maybe, or just let it go to the full. That's my profit target is the top of this last range. It's going. It wants to go. I might keep a runner on. I'm going to take two off here. There's the candle close. Huge bullish candle close. Yes, NASDAQ was pumping. Now gold's following. It doesn't always happen that way. We're up 5 points. We're up 5 points. We are pumping. We're up 5 points. Now let's see my normal. We had a 5-minute candle close here. Where's our 10? My 10 pay profit is 10 points. Yeah, right about there. Oh shoot, I canceled it. I might leave a runner. I'm going to take off two, limit sell two at the top of this range and leave one runner. Maybe it'll keep going crazy like it did last night. So we're up 5 points here. Oh no. Oh no. It's kind of stalling. We're getting closer to the 9 o'clock open, and it's gonna go nuts at the 9 o'clock open. Now the decision is: do I hold to my full take profit, or do I take it all off here? It's pulling back a little bit. Crap. And I don't know if I should hold this, but we are above the 9. The stochastics turning up. What is the 15-minute stochastics? They're turning up. But we could reverse here. See, this is why trading is stressful. I don't know if it's going to come back or if it's going to go to my full take profit. And we're losing. And okay. See, I should have gotten out at 5 points. But we're getting close to the 9 o'clock. Oh no! Oh no! No! Stop pulling back! Stop pulling back! I'm gonna. I got my stop at break even. I don't want to lose money on this. No! Stop pulling back! No! Yeah. Okay. Okay. With 2 minutes left on this candle, but we're above the 9. This is kind of enough. This is a reversal. This is the reversal I was looking for, but I was looking for 10 points, but it only went 8.6 points. We'll see how this candle closes. I don't know. I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. But so many times I've gotten out early and then it just runs. Or sometimes I've held it too long and it just comes back. So I'm up 125 here. I really don't like this. I'm moving my stop up. If it keeps pulling back, I want to get out. Ah, well, screw it. I just got out. Okay, 1 minute to the 9 o'clock open here. It just kind of started pumping and then it just stopped, and it's just going sideways. So I'm looking at, so it broke that structure, so that's done. Now we're looking at this structure. What I'm thinking for the 9 o'clock open, sometimes I also trade breakouts. I'm working off of this candle close above the 9. If I would have held that trade, I'd still be in good shape, but I thought it was going to pull back and go against me. I'm thinking for the 9 o'clock, it might break this high and just run, or for the downside, it'll break this structure and it'll run down. Here's 9 o'clock open, and we are pumping, and it's at the top of the range. Well, I'm in 1 micro. We're not sure if it's going to hit the top of the range and then reverse, or if it's going to break out. That's so I'm in 1 micro. I'm going to add 2 if it keeps going. Um, very, very, very choppy at the 9 o'clock open here. Okay, no, no, it's getting rejected. It's getting rejected. We got a stop loss at 60 bucks. $60. Well, I shouldn't have taken that trade. That's not part of my process. But I'm playing off of this close above the 9, but it looks like it's getting rejected at the top of the range, and it could reverse here. Yeah, that was a big rejection. No, it might recover. Will we recover? If it breaks that high, we're going in with 2 more micros. But if it stops me out, well, oh well, okay, it seems to be recovering here. I'm looking at the 100 tick, and it's gonna it's gonna make another attempt to break this high here. Nope, got rejected. Okay, $50 stop loss. Yeah, I don't want to lose. Oh no, here it goes. Okay, 6 points on a 1 gold micro, $60. So we'll risk $60. And we're gonna add 2 if it decides to break, but right now I'm not sure. It's really getting rejected at the top of this range. So I'm not sure. I shouldn't have even taken. Why did I even take this trade? Why? I don't know. See, if I would have stayed in my long, it would have, oh my gosh, now I'm just realizing it hit my full take profit just now. It hit, if I would have just held it. Oh my gosh. See, trade management, it's like the hardest thing, man. You got a good strategy, but trade management is really, really the tough thing to master. See, 10 point take profit. It hit my take profit. If I would have just followed my system and just let it play out, it would have hit my full 10 point take profit. Dang, and now it looks like it wants to reverse. Yeah, I don't know. Why did I even take that? I took a long at the very top. That's a great trade, Chris. See how this 5 minute candle closes. Took a loss on that one. That was not even trying to take a long on a breakout. But sometimes it will break out. Sometimes it'll just sweep the high and just reverse on you. So we have no idea. That's why I need to only trade my system and just let it play out. it would have hit, it went 12 points on that 5 minute candle close above the 9. It went 12 points. On this one that I missed, it went 12 points. So maybe if it closes again, if it breaks this structure and closes below the 9 here, will it go another 12 points? Who knows? On the reversal, man, I should have just held that trade into the 9 o'clock open. That's why the 5 minute candle closing crossing the 9 strategy. It sounds really simple, but in to master it, it's just it's another thing to master. One thing to know, it's another thing to master it. Trade management and risk management are huge, and psychology management. So now it looks like it's breaking this structure to the downside. We got a huge rejection up here. So we're gonna take one last trade for the night. We won two. We got 2 wins and 1 loss tonight. This will probably be my last trade of the night. If this closes below the 9, that's my signal. But we got a big support level here. It has to break through this support level. See, change support, broke through. Now it's resistance, broke through. This could be support and it could bounce off of this. This support level, it could bounce. But no, it looks like it's wanting to break through now. How do I get rid of this thing? Oh, it's below the 9. It's breaking structure. Oh, stochastics are at the top. I forgot to look at stochastics. Should not have taken that trade, that last trade. Stochastics are at the top. That means momentum's up. It wants to swing down, and it's going. It broke the support level. We still have like 3 minutes for this candle to close. I'm tempted to just get in now before it closes because we already know it's going to close below the 9. We already know it's going to close below the 9. It broke this. Okay, pulling back. Nope, nope. Will it? I'm going to wait for candle confirmation. We got another 2.5 minutes. We're only halfway through this candle. But I like the stochastics crossing and about to turn down. We got the nice long off of that stochastics. We got in here, got about 5 points. Oh, and see, I'm glad I didn't get in because now it's above the 9. It just bounced. Glad I waited for the candle close on that one. Look at that. It's just bouncing. What is going on? See, this happens at 9. It's really, this is really rangy tonight. It's ranging. Really difficult to trade. Oh, I was looking for a short, and look what happens. It's just bouncing like crazy. Dang. I should have taken a long there. Sheesh. Bounced 9 points just now? Insane. That's the liquidity that comes in at 9 Eastern. Just got rejected up here, dropped 13 points, and then now it's wow. And then it's gonna print I bet you it prints a doji candle. How long is this video? 35 minutes? So, okay, there's the candle close. It printed a doji, and then now it's bearish. We're gonna go off of that. We're gonna call that a candle close below the 9. And I don't know if it's gonna get through this support though. It's really bouncing off of this support level. And take profits about here. I'm not going to go the full 10 points because it's rangy tonight. I'm hoping that it breaks this support level. And then we're going to add 1. It's right at the level. It bounced off of it a minute ago and then it got rejected. No, we're gonna add 2 if it goes lower than it just went here on the 100 tick chart. If it breaks this low, it should have enough oomph to get down to these lows here. See, I look at these lows for take profit levels because all the other traders who are trading this, they're looking at the same levels. So if I was in a short, I would want to take profit around here. That's what everyone's thinking. Sometimes it bounces here, sometimes it'll break through and keep going. You never know. You're just trying to get your little piece of the pie. And it's right at this level. It doesn't know what it wants to do. Well, if we get a second candle close below the 9, that will be really good. And the stochastics are pointing down. We need a down thrust movement here. This is the last trade of the night. Let's go. We want 3 wins and 1 loss here. We're at 2 and 1 here. Yeah, it's thinking about. It's at the level. It's below that level. It's thinking about it. I bet you if this closes red, it'll keep going. But volatility's slowing down. Okay. Is that the close? No, 13. We got 2 more minutes for this 5-minute candle to close, but it's looking good so far. Let's see if it can break this level here. It looks like it wants to. Looks like it wants to. Come on, we need this candle to close red. We need it to pop down here. So if I would have gotten in the candle close the correct spot, and I go for 10 points, 10, yeah, it's right at the bottom of these lows. It's right down here. That's really 10 points from the 5-minute candle close. I've done tons of back testing on this strategy, and that seems to be the sweet spot to try to get 10 points off of these 5-minute candle closes crossing the 9 with the stochastics in your favor. Dude, it does not want to break lower. Is it just gonna bounce here? What? Bounced. It's just, man. Okay, 18 or 15 seconds till this closes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is. Closed red. We got a good close. Okay, we added. Oh, yeah. It's going. Nope. It doesn't want to go. We're not sure. We're going to bring in our risk. Hopefully we don't break even tonight. Bring our risk down to 5 points, but we're in 3 micros now. Shoot, maybe that's too heavy. I think I should have only added 1. Oh no. Now it's turning green. Oh, no. See, this is the Asia market. It moves really slow sometimes. I mean, it could take 30 minutes to get down there. Oh, it's going. Oh, it's going. That was good. It's trying. It's really trying. Really trying to get to my take profit. Okay. 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 No. Okay, I might get out of 1 here. It's just so so instead of doing a market order to get out of 1, when you're in a short, you're on 1 micro, you do join bid to get on a limit order out of 1. Yeah, okay, I got out of 1. I clicked join bid. Oh, yeah, as soon as I get out of 1, it keeps going. Let's go. Full take profit. Full take profit. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, so that's my last trade for the night. It might break this low and just keep going. And of course, but that's oh, it's still going. Oh man, come on, man. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I can't even look at it. So we're up 320 on the night. Great night. Just all glory to God. Look at this. 74% win rate. What? I well, praise the Lord. I'm just in the zone this week. So here's where we've made 992 so far in our funded account. Where's 111? Who made 320? Even though it says 9 trades, I only made we had 3 wins and 1 loss, so 4 trades. But when I scale in and scale out of micros, it counts as a trade each time you scale in or scale out. But this was only like 4 trades tonight. But that's a great night. Just, just, and it's still going, of course. Oh well. Oh, it's still going. Look at this. I should have kept a runner. Man, I knew I should have. Oh, I should have kept a runner. Oh, it's still going. Oh my gosh. Look at this insanity. Oh my gosh. I can't. I'm not going to chase it and try to short now. See what would happen if I'm going to switch to my practice account? Oh, wait, get out of that. I was in a trade and I didn't even know it might. If we try to chase this short, it's probably just going to bounce. Bounce up and stop you out if you try to chase a short. It's happened to me so many dang times. See, look, it's wanting to bounce. Man, so how far did it go on this candle close below the 9? Three perfect examples of my strategy working out. Candle close below the 9 here. Bam, 12 points. Candle close above the 9 here. Stochastics low. It went. I didn't take it. I got out too early. I got out on this bar. It pulled back. It went 12 points. And this candle closed below the 9. It's still moving. It went 16 points. Shh. Come on, man. Bro. This is the strategy, bro. Signing off.